You can quickly create alternative floor plans with RoomSketcher's Levels feature. Show your clients an original floor plan and an alternative wall structure. Or show the same floor plan with different furniture arrangements. How about an unfurnished version of the floor plan with measurements? Or create a level with annotations. Lots of possibilities. Here I am in the RoomSketcher drawing pane. In this example, I'll create an alternative furniture layout, a kitchen island rather than this dining table. The first step is to create a copy of the floor plan. Click Level and then New Level. I want to include most of the furniture on the copy, so I'll click this option. Then click the existing level to copy it. Here's my copy of the original floor plan. The next step is to edit the copy. If you want to change the wall layout, you'd use Walls mode. In this example, I want to switch the furniture layout, so I'll switch to Furniture mode. The client wants me to remove the dining table set and replace it with a kitchen island. I'll search for kitchen island, choose this one, and add it to the project. I'll also add bar stools. To switch between project levels, click the Levels button. Here's the original level, and here's the new level I created. And you can create 9 levels per project. To rename any level, simply click on an open space in the floor plan and click the Level Properties button. You can rename the level here. If you ever want to delete a level, click the yellow menu and click Project Properties. Click Levels. Here are all the levels in the project, and you can click a level's trash can to delete it. The final step is to generate floor plans. Open the yellow menu and then click either 2D or 3D floor plans. Then click Generate. Once you've generated a floor plan for each level, you can print them on one page. Click Save to Disk and choose Letterhead Combined. Here's my original 2D floor plan and the alternative floor plan. And here's my original 3D floor plan and the alternative. That's all there is to it. For more videos and tutorials, go to RoomSketcher.com.